Good afternoon. How we doing? Right, just a quick one. I've had some nice gifts sent to me by Marcus Hayes. Now, I guess some of the Peugeot lads probably not heard of him, but obviously the Ford boys will. And what Marcus has sent to me, which I received the other day, was some stickers. Obviously, I've got 2 of each. And the best bit, so I don't drink tea or coffee, which most of you probably know anyway, where you see all the Coke cans or Pepsi cans. Look at that. So that's probably gonna go with a collection of cups I don't use, which is proper good. And also I put my pens in there. So Marcus, thank you, really is. Now, if you're wondering where these come from, Marcus has set up a company called Petrol Head Style, and there's all sorts on there. So please help a fellow eBayer, a fellow YouTuber grow his page, grow his business, and keep going. Again, please, want stickers, t-shirts, cups, everything. Again, it's from petrolheadstyle.com. So please, again, buy, and help Marcus keep spending all his cash on them Fords, like I do on the Peugeots, which obviously one of them's in the background. Again, thank you very much. Take care. Cheers.